All right, guys, so people think that if it says cauliflower, it's keto, and they don't look at the label. What's up, YouTube? It's Jessie Lee, and call me #BOSSLEE, and I hope you love the video you're about to see. I'm pretty sure you will, because it's always content over here. I want to tell you about a couple other things, specifically one that you can also get some more value from, and all you need to do, and you can do it now, just pause this video, is go ahead and text YouTube to 844-277-9762. I'm going to be really upping the text game, and it's literally me texting you back. So if you want to have a more one-on-one conversation with me, enjoy the video, subscribe, comment below, and make sure you text YouTube again to 844-277-9762. So this is the thin and crispy cauliflower crust from Milton's Craft Bakers, and people get all pumped because they see cauliflower. Well, check the label. It's awful for you. This is just about as you might as well go get a real pizza and enjoy it because the carbohydrate count in this, after you subtract out the dietary fiber, is 25 grams for a fourth. So this tiny little amount, forget about it. I'm gonna eat some real pizza. Here we go again, guys. Lemon chicken piccata with cauliflower rice. I thought, oh, maybe that's keto. No. This has a total of 8 grams of carbohydrates per half tray. So per serving. That's not great. That's not great. Be okay if you're low carb, but if you're trying to be keto, that's a no. So some of you might see vegetables and think, oh, is that keto? Crispy okra. No, not even kind of. This has 10 grams of carbs per serving plus 7 grams of added sugar. No.